So your company launched a new product and you would like that as an opportunity to relaunch your business and your team. What I'm going to say, great idea. I think every single time we get a new product, we can get excited about it and we can use it to relaunch our business, to create that new momentum with our existing business in our existing companies. So not necessarily we have to be changing companies in order to create that momentum, a new moment that is going to take your business to the next level. So in this video, I'm going to share with you exact steps, what to do when your company launches a new product and if you want to use it to relaunch your business. So just imagine and remember how excited you used to be when you first started with your company, how excited you were about sharing your products. So this can be a new moment for you where it's going to feel exactly the same if you follow these steps. My name is Anna Stropnik and I help network marketers grow a thriving business online without bothering and prospecting strangers or bothering friends and family, so they can create a lifestyle that they love. Consider subscribing to this channel because every single week I create a new episode for you to help you with growing your business. And I also have a blog, it's annastropnik.com, and on there I have more free content, free resources for you as well. So let's get started. So we basically are launching a new team, new business. It's exciting, and our company just launched a new product. It's actually true. The company that I'm with, we just launched a new product. So I'm going to share with you the steps that I took and are working for my team right now. So we just had we did it a little bit differently this time than every other time that we launched a new product. And what's different, and that was something that I really didn't expect that is going to happen, is we decided to take it full on and launch it like a new business within a business. So meaning that now we are actually leading our first touch, and everything is actually with this new product and not what we had before. So that is what's different, and that's what makes it like super exciting. And we took that leap of faith, thinking, even though our products are amazing, kind of stepping away from what we used to do, and we are now focusing just on that. So it's really, really exciting times. All right, so let's go through the first steps. So there's 6 steps in this launch to be successful. So number 1, what you want to do is before the launch. So for us, we actually didn't even know what the product was. So it was like we knew we had to be there. We knew we had to be at this like reveal event because they were not going to tell us unless we were actually physically there. But like kind of closer to the launch, we were seeing some testimonials, so we could only guess what the product was. But that was really exciting. And what we could do is we could anticipate. So that's step number 1, is anticipate your audience about what's about to happen. So really create that, big curiosity, big promotion about that something is about to be revealed. So not only for you, but for your audience. So you can only share, and we didn't even know, you can only share like bits and pieces, like a little testimonial here and there, how excited you are that you're traveling to this event or whatever that might be specifically for you. But that is important to have like few weeks where you're creating this buzz, this curiosity, this anticipation that something is about to happen, something big is about to happen. So number 2 is you're going to reveal what it is. Once it's going to be like a reveal of the product. So you're not exactly going to be like, okay, it's I have water here, it's this water, it's Zephyr Hills, it's like, you're not going to be showing all the labels and stuff, but you're going to be like holding, demonstrating it, not necessarily showing like the product name or the company name or anything. That's not important, but the benefits and what it is, and that you finally know. So what type of product, what does it do, right? That's what's important. So you're going to create a buzz, excitement that it's launched, and that you already have this VIP list of people who are interested, that you're going to be reaching out to them as soon as possible because now it's available, right? So you're going to create that, and you want to create some like fear of missing out, FOMO, right? You want to create that and say, hey, we only have this many units, it's going to get sold. If you want to be one of the first testimonials on this, get back with me as soon as possible. I'm going to be reaching out to all of the people who signed up already, so you want to be on that list for sure. So that is going to be like your reveal. So you're going to be sharing it everywhere, in your posts, in your stories. Just be everywhere. Okay, when we are marketing, we gotta really use our space, especially use all of our free resources that we have to be able to promote something. So that's step number 2. Number 3, so this is like really the formula, and that is what that we use every single time we launch a new product, is win the old, upsell the existing, and win new. So win the old is basically reaching out to your old customers who are maybe not using your products anymore, all distributors, all of your distributors, like people who are not in the business anymore. So you're going to be reaching out to them first, telling them what's up, because maybe they left for whatever reason, but now with this new launch they're actually interested again. And it could be like somebody in your downline who just hasn't been building a business for a long time. It's a great opportunity to reach out to them. So this is like winning back the old. And I can't even explain to you that I have pretty much all of my distributors who were really like putting their business on the back burner are now reaching out to me because of this new product. And of course I'm reaching out back to them, and we are creating something really amazing now. So we're all super excited about it. And you don't know unless you reach out, so you gotta reach out, because they don't know, they don't follow what's going on, especially if they're not active. You gotta let them know what's going on, what's new and exciting. Ideally you want to do that before the launch, but especially when it launches. So that's like win the old, but then also upsell your existing. So you have customers that are already on your other products. You want to introduce this new product to them, maybe give them a discount, or you want them to be your testimonial or something, but you want to introduce them to your new product. So that's the next step. It's reaching out to your existing customer base. And then number 3 is win new. So how are you going to do that? How are you going to get like people to, like, new customers, new people who want to join the business based on that, is really creating that marketing strategy. And that's going to be what's working for you. So in my team, we use attraction marketing. We don't actually go and bug people and prospect like strangers. We actually are relying on our marketing. So this is going to be your step 4, is your marketing campaign. So have your marketing campaign so solid that you know exactly what are you doing. So you don't want to be just posting about the product, right? Buy this. You don't want to do that. It's okay to post about it, how excited you are when it first launches, but you gotta create content that creates value around this product. Otherwise you're just going to be like any other marketer that is just selling, and there's nothing more annoying than just seeing like sales post after sales post. So you got to get creative and really bring in value with what is it that you're doing. So for example, I shared like my testimonial on what the product has been doing for me in the last few days, or something that are like benefits of the product. Educate them. You got to mix in all sorts of different things, like why would they even be interested, like what would the product, what kind of difference would it make in their life, what problems would it solve. So write about that. Don't just like sell and promote and like blast your product. I hope that makes sense. I can like really dive much more deep into this, but we can't do this in this video. I would love to do that at some point as well. How to like create that marketing campaign that is around value and not just being salesy. So that is number 4. Number 5 is engage with people who are engaging, so you will have people who are commenting, who are liking your posts, and maybe they're necessarily not reaching out to you, but you can reach out to them. So we are not going to be, you can ask them a question and say, hey, are you just being supportive, or you actually are interested in what we have? So you can ask them questions like that. But first of all, if they're just being supportive, just have those conversations. Appreciate them for liking your posts, appreciate them for being there, appreciate them for making a comment. So this is only going to lead, maybe they're not going to be a customer right now, maybe they know somebody, but we don't want to be pushy or salesy or anything like that. But you definitely want to reach out to everyone who is liking your stuff, right? Because this is the audience that you're building. And then number 6 is you want to be documenting your story, your testimonial with this new product, and you want to be sharing your journey. So this is really, really important. Like, for example, what I did is before I even started taking the product, I took a bunch of before pictures, because I know once I'm on the product for 30 days or so, I'm going to be taking those after pictures, and I'm going to be showing, these are my results, this is what happened. So you want to have that documented. No matter what your product is, I'm sure you can start documenting what's happening to you, even if it's a service, even if it's a product that makes you feel a certain way, that is not really visual, you can do that. Okay, so this is really important. So you want to be sharing your journey as you go, and stories are a great place to share that. Stories, Facebook, Instagram stories, they're amazing. So I hope this was helpful. So this is how you would relaunch your business with a new product. If it was, let me know in the comment section. Feel free to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't ever miss any of my new videos. And I will see you in the next one. And if you like to learn a little bit more about this marketing strategy that I mentioned about attraction marketing, I have a free bootcamp. So somewhere around this video, there's going to be a link where you can join and participate in this free 10-day bootcamp to learn attraction marketing, attracting your prospects to you versus you chasing them. So thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.